If you've ever wanted to add a link on your WordPress site so visitors can easily email you with just one click, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a clickable email address link in your posts or pages, making it simpler for your viewers or customers to reach out, whether you're running a blog, a business site, or anything in between. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you step by step through the easiest and most reliable method using WordPress's visual editor. First, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for managing all the content on your site. Once you're in, go to the Posts or Pages section on the left side, depending on where you want that email link to appear. For example, if you want to add the link to your contact page, click Pages, or if it's in a blog post, head over to Posts. Then find the page or post you like to edit and open it up. Now think about what text you want your readers to click on. This is known as your anchor text. It could be something clear like "Contact us today," "Send me an email," or just your plain email address. Type this directly into the editor where you'd like the link to appear. If you're feeling creative, you can make it a call to action that fits your site's voice. Next, highlight the text you just typed by clicking and dragging over it with your mouse. This tells WordPress exactly which words you want to become the clickable link. As soon as you highlight the text, look for the link icon in the little toolbar that pops up. Usually, it looks like a small chain link. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a field that asks you to enter the link itself. Here, where the magic happens. To make an email link, you need to type Mailto. Followed immediately, no spaces, by the email address you want people to contact. For example, if your email is youremail@example.com, you would type Mailto youremail@example.com. Sometimes WordPress will help you out and automatically add that Mailto part if it recognizes you're entering an email, but it's always a good idea to check and make sure. It's like putting a specific address on an envelope so your message goes straight to the right place. Once you've typed in your Mailto link, you can either hit enter on your keyboard or click the apply button, which usually looks like a little arrow pointing right. This confirms the change, so now your anchor text is officially a special link that will open your visitor's email program ready to send you a message when they click it. You're almost done. To make these changes public so everyone can see and use your new email link, just click the Update or Publish button in the editor. Depending on whether this is an existing page or a new one, you may see either option. Don't worry if it takes a moment to update. Once it's done, you can preview your page and try clicking the link yourself to make sure it works. And that's all there is to it, adding a Mailto email link in WordPress is quick, but it makes a big difference for your site's usability. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting like, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.